I'm back and I'm going to be doing a video I've never done before where I will be comparing two different hair products. So the products are from the same line, TALIAH WAAJID, Apple and Aloe line, but there's two different products that people are kind of confused on what the difference is between the two. So the first one is the Green Apple and Aloe Curl Definer, and the next one is the Green Apple and Aloe Hold Me Down Jelly. So I'm going to split my hair down the middle, and one side I'll do the Curl Definer and the other side I'll do the Hold Me Down Jelly, just so you guys can see how these two products define your hair differently and which option you would prefer for your hair type. Okay, so before I even put these in, I think that I'm going to like the Curl Definer more just because I like really thick creamy stuff. But you never know, the Hold Me Down Jelly could catch me by surprise and I could like it more. So I'm going to do a wash and go using both of these products. Before I apply any of the products, I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioner. So I'll use a leave-in conditioner on my whole head. The Curl Definer will be on my right side and the Hold Me Down Jelly will be on my left side. So we will see. I'm actually curious to know, just like you guys are. So I'm going to just jump right into this video. So under this scarf, I have been deep conditioning since about 8 o'clock last night, and now it's like 2 o'clock the next day. What did I use? Oh, I used Mielle Organics Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioner. So if any of you are interested in trying out this Mielle Organics Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioner, this is what it looks like, and I'm pretty sure it's in like Walmart, Sally Beauty, you know, any like local store you can find it in. So I will be doing this its own review just to show you guys how much I love and like this product. But today is gonna be mostly focused on TALIAH WAAJID, and I know I've been doing a lot of TALIAH WAAJID hairstyles, but you guys are interested in these products, and I personally love these products. So I don't mind making videos on them and testing out this line, and you know, and just sharing my results with you guys. So I'm gonna go rinse my hair and rinse out this deep conditioner, and then we will get started with the video. Alright, so I am ready to apply my leave-in conditioner. So I'm just gonna section my hair off into chunkier, bigger sections, and I'll spray this leave-in conditioner all over my head. The leave-in on my entire head of hair, and now I'm going to start with the, I don't know, should I start with the Curl Definer side or the jelly side? So I'm gonna try the jelly first, and then I'll do the Curl Definer. So this is my Curl Definer side, so I'm gonna put it up so it doesn't get in the way. So now I'm going to section this side off, and I will apply the Hold Me Down jelly. Alright, so let me show you the consistency of the jelly. So it has that really like jiggly jelly type of consistency to it. Okay, so I finished applying the Hold Me Down jelly, and from what I can tell is that it's a really gentle gel. It makes your hair soft, kind of like the Eco Styler Gold gel. It has really good definition so far, so we will see once my hair is completely dry. But right now I'm really loving this gel. It's really lightweight and my hair feels nice and light and airy, and I can just swing it everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the curl definer on this side just so we can compare wet results. So this is the texture of the curl definer, and you can see it's like a thick cream. So it's like a super creamy cream. It feels heavy on my finger. So that's a difference to note. The Hold Me Down jelly is a little more lightweight and the curl definer is a little heavier. But it does say on the curl definer bottle, it says it creates longer lasting, more defined curls. So we'll see. I absolutely love the texture of this curl definer. It feels so sleek and smooth. Like, it feels like butter. Curl definer is a really thick cream, so for it to have a better slip, I like to have my hair like really, well, not really wet, but there needs to be some water on it, and I think that just helps the product blend better into your curls and helps define them even better. So if you guys use this product, make sure your hair is a little bit on the damp side, and also you can spray some more water in it if you need to. So I finished applying both products, and so the difference I feel right now is that this side is a little bit heavier, but it's not like anything ridiculously crazy. This side is gonna dry faster than this side because this is such a heavier cream. So I do feel like this side is gonna be more defined, but I could be wrong. I don't know yet until the dry results. So we will see when I come back. As far as texture, this side does feel a little bit more like creamier and buttery, of course, because it's a cream, whereas this feels like more like my natural pattern without product, but it's still like super soft and super sleek. So once these are dry, I will come back and show you guys the difference between the two sides. But I think the definition on both sides is amazing, and that's the end result overall. finally dry, and there definitely is a difference between both sides. So for the jelly side, it is a little bit firmer. My hair is still soft, lightweight, and bouncy, but it is a little bit firmer. So you know how like gels usually leave like a cast on your hair? Well, this has a slight cast, and it's not too hard or too crunchy, because I know some people really hate that. But it's it'll definitely maintain your curls. So it's firm enough to maintain your curls and to lock in your curl pattern so that it'll last for a few days. So I do like the jelly side a lot. I think I might like it better than the curl definer side. So for the curl definer side, my hair is just super soft and hydrated. I can feel like the product, like the moisture of the product coming off on my fingers. So I think that the main difference is that the curl definer gives you a lot more hydration, whereas the jelly gives you a lot more hold. So the curl definer side is still really defined though. Like my curls are still popping, you know? But the jelly side, my hair is a little more shinier, and you can really see the definition. So the main difference is that one makes your hair really soft, and one has like a nice little hold to it. So both sides look really good. Like the definition is up to par on both sides. I will do a close-up so you guys can see the difference between the definition, because the curls are different curls. But overall, I think both products are great. It's really up to you what you want and what you prefer for your hair. I like to mix both products together so I get the best of both worlds. If you think you want to go with one product, I hope that this review helped you decide. So comment below which product you like best. Do you like the jelly side, or do you like the curl definer side best? Let me know below. I think that I don't know which side I like better. I think I like the jelly side better, just because there's less shrinkage on this side, whereas there's a little bit more on this side. But I do like that the curl definer has so much hydration and my hair feels really soft, and I can like literally feel the moisture from the product on my hair. So it's up to y'all, whatever y'all want to decide to get. With that being said, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below.